Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix a maximum number of attempts breached. Try again later in TikTok on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad and when you have login your TikTok account and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen and now you have to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, scroll it below, click on general and scroll it down. Click on VPN and device management, make sure that you have not connected any VPN. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. And guys, now you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after doing this, you have to go back. Now you have to click on date and time, make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically, and now you have to go back, click on screen time and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, you have to turn it off, and now you have to go back. After this you have to open your app store on your iOS device, and after this here you need to search TikTok. And guys, now you have to open your TikTok app and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all these settings, you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here. Click on general and click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, from here, you have to find TikTok app. Click on your TikTok and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again. And after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.